Hello everyone. Well, we've got a cold front that's going to be working over us late this morning through the early afternoon, and it's going to lead to cold conditions for tonight. So let's track temperatures hour by hour starting at 8 a.m. this morning. Temperatures in the upper teens, low 20s across southeast Nebraska, and not much wind for now. But once the cold front arrives, it's going to get breezy and then stay breezy for the rest of the day. So let's track the arrival time of this cold front. Probably already clear of Columbus by 11 a.m. and starting to push in to the Fremont area around 11 a.m. At noon, that's the most likely time it'll be arriving in Omaha and likely clear of York. And then between noon and 1 o'clock is when it's going to be working over the Lincoln area. And so by the time we get to 1 o'clock, it's probably going to be pushing in around Hebron, Nebraska City. And then also, once the cold front clears you, our temperatures are gradually coming down. Notice they're not plummeting behind this front, but they're not going up anymore. They're gradually coming down. And I do think the front will probably be just clear of Fall City at 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock, we're probably going to be sitting, again, low 30s to the south, but just the low 20s in the northern part of the area. And again, by this point, breezy across all of southeast Nebraska because the front will be clear of us. And again, even at 5 o'clock this afternoon, it is still going to be breezy. Notice how temperatures coming down a little bit more. Now we're talking about some mid-teens in the locations that saw the front first today. Still a couple of spots in the upper 20s in the southern part of the area, but because wind gusts are going to be around 25 miles per hour, let's talk about what it's actually going to be feeling like. 5 o'clock this afternoon, not good. Again, northern part of the area, look at these wind chills. 3 in Columbus, 2 in Fremont, just 4 in Omaha. As you go to the south, it gets better, but not good. 10 is what it's going to be feeling like at 5 o'clock this afternoon in Lincoln, 15, Hebron, Beatrice, Falls City. So this brings us to tonight, and we're going to have mostly clear skies, and the worst of the wind will be over with, but the winds aren't going away. We're still going to have a light breeze tonight, gusts 10, 15 miles per hour. So look at these low temperatures. Again, still seeing colder temperatures in the north, warmer to the south, but temperatures basically sitting right around 0 degrees in the northern part of the area. Columbus, Fremont, Omaha, Council Bluffs, some getting below 0. There'll be some temperatures I do think just below 0 in spots. Around York, Lincoln, Nebraska City, temperatures around 4 degrees look a little bit more likely. And then you get around Hebron, Beatrice, Falls City, 5, 6, 7 degrees. But even when we're hitting these low temperatures very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, there's still going to be a little bit of wind. So what is it going to be feeling like when you're heading out the door early Friday morning? It's going to be around minus 10, the wind chills in the northern part of the area, around minus 5, York, Lincoln, Nebraska City, and the wind chills still around 0, even in the southern part of the area. All right, so what about Friday afternoon? Well, fortunately, this is a cold shot that's not going to last very long. Yes, it's going to be really cold late tonight, early tomorrow morning, but look how temperatures already rebounding, especially in the southern part of the area for tomorrow afternoon. Actually, tomorrow afternoon doesn't look that much colder than today. So fortunately, this isn't going to be a shot of cold air that's going to last for a long time. We're going to see a warming trend already beginning tomorrow afternoon. So high temperatures tomorrow ranging from the upper 20s in the northern part of the area to some even making it into the upper 30s. That's a possibility, especially around the Hebron area for tomorrow afternoon. It looks like a quiet day, mostly sunny skies, no chance of rain, no chance of snow, but still breezy. Now, maybe not quite as breezy as today. I think gusts are going to peak around 20 miles per hour, but that's still enough for a wind chill factor. So this is what it's going to be feeling like Friday afternoon. Not feeling any warmer than the mid-teens in the northern part of the area, the upper teens in the central part of the area, and in the southern part of the area, no warmer than the low 20s.